All right, well, it looks like I'm gonna be vlogging on my phone because I have no idea where my camera battery is and it's dead. And I don't think I've talked at all in this vlog, and that's a crime because I love to hear myself talk. So hello. So as you can tell, I am moving. I really haven't updated you guys at all. I have barely made any videos this summer. If my mental health vlog is up before this, you'll know why, but if not, I'm kind of had a traumatic summer in terms of mental health. My anxiety was the worst it ever was, to the point where I couldn't do anything. So currently July 27th. My flight to New York City is in 3 days. Here. In the last couple days, I've just been packing everything up. As you saw in those clips, my sister's boyfriend picked up all of my furniture, took that down in a U-Haul. Now basically all I have left is my couch, which somebody is hopefully picking up today. Otherwise, I just have to put stuff in boxes and clean up because it's kind of a mess in here. But yeah, fingers crossed I find my camera charger though. I got one of those new fancy phones with the 3 cameras, like the 12 Pro or whatever, for my birthday a couple days ago. So I don't mind filming on my phone because the camera quality is really good. I have that, nice wide angle as you saw. I was testing that out in the garage. And it's like 10:30 right now. I'm probably gonna spend all day just packing things up. I'm shipping 3 boxes to New York. Otherwise, I'm just buying everything from scratch. I have a bed being delivered there. Anyways, if you wanna see what it's like to move across states, then just keep watching. Yeah, everything's kind of in shambles right now. I also literally have no idea how I'm gonna move my espresso machine because I don't know how much it's gonna cost to ship that, but I have a nice coffee. Cheers. And I'm just gonna try to get all this shit off of my floor. Really clean and fun. Oh, and you wanna see this too? What the hell is this? Yeah. So anyways, this is what we're gonna be working with today. Hello everyone. First and foremost, I found my camera. This is good news. Or I found my camera battery. This is good news. But it is much later from when I talked to you. It's 5 now. You've probably just seen time lapses. I've just been putting stuff in bags, bringing it down to my car, and then bringing it down to my parents' house and getting it ready to ship up to New York. I did in fact take a nap on the floor, right about here. I just laid on the carpet for about an hour. I was so tired from taking trips to my car and shoving stuff in it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna keep shoving things in bags, which is very wasteful. I hate that I'm using garbage bags and I'm just gonna have to throw them away, but I just don't have any moving boxes or like reusable plastic moving tubs. So to Mother Earth, I am sorry. I will reduce my carbon footprint to compensate for this. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep on packing and then head on down where we gotta move all the stuff into suitcases. So that should be fun. Stay tuned. This is the current situation right now. well. I have all these bags and I'm just gonna be putting them into this suitcase. And I'm very tired. So anyways, yeah, we're gonna be doing that and I'm gonna time lapse it because I don't feel like talking, so bye. Friends, family, hello. It is one day out. I move tomorrow and I A, forgot my camera, so phone vlogging it is, and B, I thought I'd show you the condition of my apartment because it's still not done and I have to move all of this myself. So I just thought maybe I'd bring you along on the misery. Am I excited? No. Am I capable of doing this all by myself today? No. I will be having a mental breakdown. When will that be? I'm not really sure. I will keep you updated. But in the meantime, I'm gonna just try to, yeah, okay. Okay. So basically, I have to move all of this and all of this and, oh, there's more. Well, not that much, but all of that too. Final walk through. All this stuff is trash and that's gonna go out. But boom, some food and pots and pans. But otherwise, this is my last time here. Goodbye view, if you guys wanna know where I live. There you go. Goodbye neighbor. Babes, your plants are dead. BT dubs. Bye, farewell. Goodbye, room. I thought you were small, but once I saw the New York rooms, I realized you were very big. Goodbye, bathroom. And goodbye to my poor toilet, who has gone through a lot. Goodbye, bathtub. Goodbye, sink, that I probably did not clean as much as I should have. And goodbye to this massive closet. Good. Oh, Henry, you give good hugs.
Yeah?
I feel comforted right now.
That's my big meaty man.
I know.